Want to capture your audience's attention right from the start? The key is to dive right straight into your story. Don't waste time warming up. Why dive in quickly? Your audience's attention span is short. The longer you delay getting to the heart of your story, the more likely their minds will start to wander. Start with something compelling, like an intriguing question or an immediate action. Also, starting your story quickly creates instant engagement. For example, instead of saying, "I want to tell you about a time when," begin with, "I stood there with my heart pounding, facing my biggest fear." That's a big difference. Another item is a quick start sets the tone. It signals that your speech will be dynamic and focused, drawing your audience in right away. They want to hear what happens next. If you hook your audience within the first few sentences with something vivid and dramatic, it will help them lean in and stay engaged. Remember, the quicker you get into your story, the quicker you capture your audience. So cut the fluff and dive right in.